everybody, assalamu alaikum and adab. Good afternoon guys. I'm doing great. What about you? So in this video I'd like to share with you a new thing. So now the question is coming that nowadays I'm making a vlog video just for practicing purpose. That is why I have come here so easily, and don't waste our valuable time. Let's go there. So guys, I'd like to share with you, as I'm an English learner, I know English a little bit, not so fantastically, but I'm trying at afternoon time or when I get free time. Otherwise, when I get any kind of leisure time, then I try to make a vlog video. And nowadays, last couple of days as well, I didn't communicate with other person for making a vlog video. Actually guys, nowadays going very great or not, I also don't know, but it is going on very greatly. So as I have told you that in this video that I'd like to share with you one new thing and brand thing, that is without any kind of partner, how we can improve our spoken English and how we can start our English journey. First of all, I'd like to say you guys, you have to know so many sentence, word, vocabulary, and you have to try speak in English more and more. You have a partner, you have a person, that is not matter. Matter is that, fact is that you have to speak. That things you have to do practically. If you practically do it, you can do anywhere, like any kind of shop, store, publicity place, in front of people as well, in front of camera, in front of so many people behind you. They will also stay there and they will support you guys if you practically do it. Speak in English. If you don't depend on other person, that person will always help you to learn it. That person will always encourage you that you must have to do it. If any person force you, definitely you do it, but you must have to a wish, like me, that if you have any wish that I have to do it, definitely you can do it. Or for doing it, you can think that when you get leisure time, free time, then without your study, then in a whole day, how you can learn English at your home. If you have think that I don't have go any kind of course and any kind of coaching center, I will learn it with the internet or mobile phone. So many learner I have seen, also I have heard people are saying that some of people, like they are staying at home, and by staying their home they are learning English. But how is it possible for us? Is it really ability or not able? I think it is definitely able. If I tell you, I have started my English journey without any kind of course, without any kind of coaching center. I didn't go, guys. So at home, I have learned it. You can say that you have a partner like Muwaj, that is why you have learned it. Okay, now I'm saying you, I'd like to say you that without partner, how you can learn it? You have to speak by yourself. When you do anything, then you have to speak. When you read your textbook, native book, then you have to read it by English. You have to try that how we can create it in English. When you eat that some of when you eat then some of food's name, like it will be a sentence or word that you have to speak by your tongue, understand, in English. When you go your kitchen room, then you can think that some of vegetables name, things that you have to use. Or I think that some of people will say you can hide that we have to read so many vocabulary. So how is it possible? How we will capture it, hold it? So one thing is great for us, that when we memorize or when we take a vocabulary, then we have to use it more and more. When we use it, generally we can remember, or otherwise we will forget it, that how we have learned it. So guys, I have told you two reasons. That one more thing as well, that newspaper, it is so difficult. We have was a newspaper. I think that it is so difficult for task for us. But two things, that speaking, we have to speaking a lot. You can say that some of my speaker, they speak a lot, that is why much more speaking they speak, that is why they have captured it, they have achieved it there, that is achievement. How you will do it, that is your opinion, that is their conception. So second one is that you have to listen more and more. or some of people, they listen how people are saying, how people are speaking by their tongue. They're listening. We can say not only just our English spoken, but also all of the subjects, all of the books. When we listen from other person, then we mind it. Then we can say that like this way we have to read it. So guys, you got it also. If you watch this video till then, definitely you will understand that what I would like to say you, and what I would like to understand you, that this type of thing, suggestion, you can get so many people will suggest you. People will definitely suggest you guys that like this way you have to go it, but that is your consider it, that how you have to learn it, and you have realized that you have to learn it. So guys, I think it's getting to evening time now. By saying something, I'd like to finish it. So guys, if you try to maintain this type of advice, not like me, like other person, if you watch that video, definitely you'll grow in English, and definitely you'll improve your English as well. Pray for me as well. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to follow Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Goodbye for today. Bye bye.